Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn how to delete cells. Delete cells in Excel. Delete cells in Excel. For example, I have written 25 and I have written here content and I have written some special symbols like this. So it's giving some values. For example, anything like this. So if you want to delete some content here in the cell, so you have to press a delete button. That's it. Yeah, a delete button. If you want it back, press Ctrl Z. Then the content will be get back. And you can do the backspace also. Backspace also. Sorry, backward arrow also on the keyboard. Then that a content will be erased. That content will be erased. See, one by one, it's erasing. But if you want to erase whole thing, press long press, then all the things will be erased. You can delete like this also. Press Ctrl here and click on backspace. The whole thing will be gone. Whole thing will be gone. So this is where we can delete the content in the cells. So this is the way we can delete by using uh, delete button and back arrows in the keyboard. Back arrow in the keyboard. How many ways we can delete the content in the cell? Two ways. The first thing is delete button. With the delete button, we can delete it, and we can also delete by using Control A, and pressing back arrow, backward arrow. Then that content will be gone in the cell. So this is where we can delete the content in the Excel. So I hope you understand how to delete the content in the Excel. So that's it, friends. It's a simple class how to delete the content in the cell. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.